Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to make this a simple bottle opener with a bit of text on it. We're going to be working off of this technical drawing, and this is going to be the end result. I've added in a few little extras that aren't in the drawing, just so you can see a couple of extra features. So follow along and see how you go. For this little bottle opener, I have put on a canvas on a separate tab so we can see the image with all the dimensions. I'm going to start by doing circles, so I can see the 19.5 radius and a 13.5 radius. So either you can just double that, or you can get Fusion to do the math for you. So I'm going to create a sketch on the top plane and center diameter circle. I can say 19.5 multiplied by 2, and it calculates it to 39. And then we can do the same for the other circle, or you can just go at 27. So that's the first part. Now let's get this rectangle section. I can see over there the measurement is from the center point to that radius. So I'm just going to draw the rectangle, put in that radius, and then I'll do the measurement. So I can see it's 13 from the center line, so that'll be 26. So I'm going to create a rectangle. Let's just dimension it. The overall dimension is 26 millimeters, and the dimension to the center point is 13. So now it's nicely centered. But obviously this is not defined yet. So let's put in this radius here, that is 6 millimeters. So let's just confirm that. Yes, we've got 6 millimeters there. And the distance from the center point to the center point of that radius is 47.2 plus 17.3. So now we'll go D for dimension from that center point to that center point. That's 47.2 plus 17.3. I hope that is correct. My short-term memory isn't great sometimes. Okay. So now I need to get rid of a couple of these lines. So T for trim, or you can select trim up there. You can see it's still fully constrained. I need to put in a radius over there. If I look now, it won't let me do that because of this other line over there. So I'm going to trim that away, and then now go to fillet, and that is 6 millimeters. Let me push command, select this one as well, 6 millimeters. So now we've got that shape of the bottle opener. Now I'm going to draw this line going across here, which is 8.5 millimeters from the center point. So I'm just going to draw a line straight across, and it's got that 1 millimeter radius. So line tool, drawing this straight across there. So there I've got my line, and it is 8.5 millimeters. So D for dimension tool, 8.5 from there, 8,5. So it's fully constrained in that direction. And now I'll push T for trim, and I will trim these little excesses. And I need to put a 1 millimeter fillet on there. I'll select both these edges, 1, enter. So that looks like we've got our bottle opener. Now we're going to extrude it to 1.5. Okay, so now I'll finish sketch and I will extrude it. So extrude this 1.5 millimeters. So in essence, that's what we've got in the drawing, but I want to add a little bit to it. I'm thinking maybe this would be a good key ring, so I want to put a little hole there. So I'm going to go back into the sketch, get a center diameter circle, just draw it roughly there, make it 4 millimeters. I want it on the center line, so I'm going to dimension it against this line here to 13 millimeters, and then dimension it against that back there. Let's make that 4. So now it's fully constrained. Finish sketch. Now if I go back into this extrude, I can just deselect that as part of what is being extruded. Okay, and then I've got that hole. So there's our bottle opener. I want to put a fillet now around these edges. So I'll select fillet. If you hold the mouse carefully over the edge, you can see it selects that entire outline. I'll do the same thing over there, and I think maybe on the circle as well. So I'll select the circle for the keychain. It's a bit easier to get it in. 0.5. And there's a nice little fillet right the way around. Don't really want to fillet on these edges because if those are supposed to be gripping onto a bottle cap, it'll be better like that. So now I'll create a sketch. I'll select this face and I'm going to create text on it. So text there, we're just going to draw out our text box and then type in our text. You can center align it, right align it, whatever you want, and then you can also move your text box around. If you click on it, you'll see you got these little green lines and you can manipulate it like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a horizontal constraint on this top line here. So now we could use the emboss tool or the extrude tool. I'm just going to go extrude and drag that down. So I could go all the way through, but since I know this is on that surface, I only want it to go 0.5 millimeter deep. So it's cut 0.5 millimeters. So there it's going into it by 0.5 millimeters. And let's add an appearance to it. So there's a red anodized aluminum. You can drag it so it selects the whole body. And there we go. There's our bottle opener. I don't know why this text is still there, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment or get in touch with me at fusionfundamentals@gmail.com. My email address is in the description, and in the description is a Google Drive link to this technical drawing. Till next time, bye.